Here we have a 69 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked with the gold brake calipers behind. We do have the polar white exterior paintwork, LED headlights, got the Pan America front grille and the big Mercedes badge in the centre. Coming round to the passenger side, you find the side steps running along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the glass sunroof. It's currently on a tilt. It can also slide open. Now we do also have the 360-degree cameras with the parking sensors and a visual display inside. We've got the rear diffuser at the back and also the power-operated tailgate. If you press the badge in, you can see it opens just like so. Now inside of here you'll find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. Got the partial shelf of course at the top, storage net on the left hand side. We also have a 12-volt connectivity on the left, hooks either side as well. Coming back out, we also have a handle on the right along with the button. Press the button and the boot will close again like so. Coming back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look now at the interior, coming into the back first, you find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre. We also have fixed ISO points as well back here. We have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, wooden effect trim on the doors with the Burmester sound system and electric windows. Taking a look at the front, you find the same leather seats. There's a look at the roof from the inside. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions, and they're also both heated, controlled here on the doors. Again, Burmester sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside. You find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Steering wheel is electrically adjustable with that stalk just there. Now you can see we do have the volume buttons just here on the left. I'll turn the radio down. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. We have the adaptive cruise control here on the right. We are free from any warning lights as well on the digital dashboard. You can go through with different options. If you click onto these buttons just here on the right, you can see we have all these different features which you can go through. You can also change the design. It's currently on sport. Go down to classic and you can see it changes the style just like so. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre. Now if this screen or any other screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we do have the sat nav, but we also have the other features down here. Click onto radio, you find the radio stations. We have the media options, Bluetooth phone connectivity for phone calls. If we go onto the main menu, we can then scroll through the other features. You'll find the ambient lighting, plenty of colours to choose from. Back onto the main menu, we also have the apps just here. You see we have a few apps there. Onto smartphone, you find the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We also have the different drive modes, which can be selected using that button down there. We also have the 360 cameras. If you put it into reverse, you find the reversing camera and 360 view on the right. Put it back into drive, it changes to the front facing camera, but we can go through each individual camera and you see they all work as they should do. Put it back into park. Further down again, we've got the wooden effect trim. We also have the jaws on climate control, the ice-cold air conditioning, with the cup holders underneath there, the touchpad for the screen, and also the armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.